How MSPs can communicate device risk with clarity. Every endpoint that connects to a network or runs scripts carries potential risk. MSPs understand this well. The real challenge is taking action, which requires alignment, collaboration, and clear communication with business stakeholders. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why IT risk communication matters. Many MSPs perform thorough technical assessments. However, translating their findings into business decisions isn't always straightforward. Stakeholders may have varying levels of IT knowledge. Some focus on compliance, others on cost control or operational continuity. A well-structured IT risk communication template bridges that gap. In essence, an effective template should include the following: the method used to identify device risks, for example, EOL trackers, patch dashboards; standardized communication tools, for example, email, memo, PDF, portal posts, cloud dashboards; clear communication principles, tone, clarity, and audience awareness; a feedback loop to refine messaging over time. When structured properly, risk communication prevents misinterpretation and promotes timely decision-making across departments, and it begins with framing risks with factual precision. How MSPs can communicate device. Risk with clarity. Step 1. Frame risks with factual precision. The first principle of effectively communicating device risk is to use facts, not emotion. Avoid vague or alarmist language. Instead, rely on measurable data. Take these examples. Notice that they include specific dates, patch identifiers, CVE references, and clear device counts. In this regard, factual framing not only eliminates ambiguity, it also builds trust and reinforces accountability between MSPs and IT leaders. Step 2. Use a structured communication template. When stakeholders receive information in a consistent format, they spend less time interpreting and more time deciding. A structured template might look like this, organizing risks into clear sections and concluding with a call to action. This structure reduces ambiguity, improves internal workflow repeatability, and supports informed business decisions. Step 3. Back claims with visual data. Technical data can feel abstract to non-technical stakeholders. Numbers alone don't always communicate urgency. Visualization helps bridge the gap. Whenever possible, include charts, patch compliance dashboards, risk heat maps, and report snapshots. Visual context transforms raw data into actionable insight and reinforces your message while keeping communication concise and accessible. Step 4. Provide balanced options. Risk remediation is rarely one size fits all. As subject matter experts, MSPs should present balanced options rather than rigid directives. Consider this side-by-side format for framing your strategies. Step 5. Maintain a regular risk briefing cadence. Finally, consistency reduces urgency overload. Instead of reacting only to emergencies, establish a predictable risk briefing cadence. Each briefing should include the following: updated EOL, patch, and vulnerability summaries, clear decision thresholds, logged acknowledgments for accountability, monthly reviews may be necessary for high-risk industries, quarterly reviews may suffice for lower-risk environments, supplemented by immediate alerts for critical exposures. At the end of the day, IT risk isn't just about identifying vulnerabilities. It's about communicating them effectively and empowering the business to act with confidence. The results? Stronger collaboration, clearer decision-making, and long-term trust between technical teams and business stakeholders. For more information, check out our official blog post on communicating device risk with clarity, linked in the description below.